The more you know, the more you will discover that you don't know. Hi, welcome to Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Successful salespeople are avid learners. They never stop learning as they are aware that knowledge is power. I was on a field trip with a salesperson who turned to me immediately after a customer meeting to ask for my feedback. He wanted to know how he could be better. I was impressed by his eagerness to improve himself, even though he was already a top sales performer. On the other hand, I've also met some salespeople who think that they know it all. Their pride becomes a stumbling block to their growth. When I tried to share about their blind spots, they will always defend themselves with a lot of excuses. Be humble and hungry to learn from others. You will gain so much more from others' perspectives and insights. Make it a point to learn something new every day and make sure that you are better than yesterday. Never stop learning, as it is part of self-development and personal growth. Invest in yourself to improve your skills, and you will soon see your returns. Remember, when you stop learning, you stop growing. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you'd like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always get the latest update.